Are you an HVAC business struggling to attract new customers? Does it feel like no matter what you do, you can't seem to stand out from the competition? Hey, we understand how frustrating this can be, and that's why we're here to talk about how you can use content marketing to solve these problems. Picture this. A potential customer is browsing the internet for HVAC services and they come across your website. What's going to make them choose you over your competitors? By following the approach we'll be discussing, you can create content that speaks directly to your audience's needs and captures their attention. So without further ado, let's break down how you can use content marketing to address the problems you're facing and grow your business. The first step is to identify your audience's pain points. What are the problems they're facing when it comes to HVAC services? By understanding these pain points, you can create content that provides solutions and positions you as the trusted source for HVAC services. Once you've identified the problems, the next step is to make them feel more urgency. Help your audience understand the consequences of not addressing these problems so they're motivated to take action. Finally, you need to provide solutions to your audience's problems. By creating content that provides answers to their questions and addresses their concerns, you can position yourself as an expert in the field and attract more customers to your business. So there you have it. By identifying your audience's pain points, making them feel more urgency, and providing solutions to the problems, you can use content marketing to grow your HVAC business. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. If you're ready to take the next step and start creating content that speaks directly to your audience's needs, SwingPointMedia is here to help. Our team specializes in creating high-quality written content and inbound marketing strategies that help businesses like yours attract more customers and grow their revenues. And right now, we're offering a free consultation call to discuss how we can help you achieve your business goals. To learn more about our services and schedule your free consultation call, click the link in the description now. We look forward to hearing from you and helping your HVAC business succeed. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.